An established downtrend begins to slow down with the emergence of a doji and the current candle quickly closing above its high. Then it happens again to a much stronger degree. This is a forex chart of the Japanese yen to US dollar, and normally on forex charts there are fewer gaps between the daily candles due to the global and longer duration trading sessions. That being said, there are still some marginal gaps between the real bodies of these three candles where there is a doji in the center of this morning star candle pattern. This is analogous to a gradual but strong turnaround from the established downtrend into a new uptrend. A less strict interpretation of the morning star will allow for some minor overlapping of the real body ranges. Confirmation of the morning star comes when the following candle trades and preferably closes above the high of the morning star, which can be defined as the highest high of the three candles or the high of the third candle. In this case, all occurs when the current candle trades above the high of the third candle, which just happens to have the highest high. Confirmation simply refers to greater validation of the change in market sentiment, in this case from bearish to bullish, as it is crucial at the early stages for the market to begin trading above the high of a bullish reversal pattern. In the short term, there is upper wick rejection at this resistance range, which naturally forms due to the prior swing points taking place in the recent past. Similar to a previous example with the Canadian to US dollar chart, the market began to show major weakness as the first relevant resistance range was unable to be overcome to build upon the early upswing, and this resulted in a further continuation of the longer-term decline. A minor pause is quite normal at the first major resistance range. However, if this continues, the chart is showing weakness and the early reversal can be put under pressure. A look back sees a minor trading range with several familiar reversal candles, including a morning star formation which did not develop into a full upswing. Similar to previous examples, the levels of significance marked out in the past continue to have influence in the market even years later.